So hey guys, how are you doing? Please, before I start, try to subscribe. Okay, let's go. As usual, this is MureT.T. So the other time I created an account on Goldhela on how to make money, and even now I have created another account on how to make money. The reason why I created another account, it is because why I created this video, it is because some of you are complaining you're not gonna make more money, and yet you can consistently make more money again and again, because they give you chances. You can watch videos, you can watch TikTok videos, you can refer, you can sell your Instagram account. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you is that, guys, you try. The best way I would advise to make money is by carrying out referral links. And I think right now you can see this a new account. This is a new account. I just created it, and right now I will do some amount yesterday, just do some. But what I can advise you guys, create another account. Create another account, because now when you create another account, you can get a chance to refer more and more people, of which when you have the old account you cannot. When after creating an account, you can refer the same people when they have created another account, so that you can make it a continuous. Apart from watching videos, apart from, even after creating an account, you get your free Instagram followers. Those are 200 free Instagram followers. So guys, what I can advise you, please use my referral link, which is under the description below, so that you can click on it, so that it can direct to the right site, which is Goldhela, not another account. That's why even I put that referral link, which is in the description below, so that it can direct you to the right account, so that it can help you, put you at the right direction. So guys, that's why I made it hard for you. Please subscribe, please like, and please share, and please comment if you have any question.